Are we on the brink of a humanoid robot revolution? The International Federation of Robotics, IFR, has just released a groundbreaking paper, Humanoid Robots, Vision and Reality, that dives into the promises and pitfalls of this emerging technology. But here's where it gets controversial. While some see humanoids as the ultimate solution to labor shortages and efficiency, others fear they could disrupt industries and raise ethical dilemmas. Let's explore what's really at stake. Humanoid robots, designed to mimic human motion and adaptability, are capturing global attention. China, the world's largest industrial robot market, has set ambitious targets for mass-producing these machines. Meanwhile, tech giants in the US and Europe are pouring billions into research and development. And this is the part most people miss. Humanoids aren't meant to replace existing robots, but to complement them, tackling complex tasks that traditional robots can't handle. Takayuki Ito, president of the IFR, highlights the fascination with humanoids. Our world is built for humans, so the idea of a versatile helper that can seamlessly integrate into manufacturing, services, and even homes is undeniably appealing. Yet, mass adoption remains uncertain. The paper sheds light on regional strategies, technological trends, and the ethical questions that come with this innovation. Regional perspectives, a tale of priorities. United States. Companies like NVIDIA, Amazon, and Tesla are focusing on practical applications in logistics and manufacturing, viewing humanoids as productivity boosters rather than social companions. Private investments and military funding are driving a surge in startups. China. The government has made humanoids a national priority, aiming to dominate the global market. Their strategy emphasizes service sectors like customer service, with manufacturing automation as a secondary goal. Scaling supply chains for key components is a critical focus. Japan, a pioneer in humanoid robotics. Japan designs robots like Pepper and Palro as social companions, addressing the needs of its aging population. The goal is harmonious coexistence, not just utility. Europe, ethical considerations take center stage here. Collaborative robots that enhance human capabilities, not replace them, are the focus. European businesses remain cautious about short-term humanoid adoption. The big questions. While humanoids offer unparalleled dexterity and adaptability, their widespread adoption as household helpers may still be years away. The IFR paper explores trade-offs, limitations, and the hype versus reality. But here's the bold question. Will humanoids revolutionize industries, or will they become a symbol of technological overreach? What do you think? Download the full paper. Curious to dive deeper? The Humanoid Robots, Vision and Reality paper is available for free at https://ifr.org papers download. https://ifr.org papers download. Explore topics like recent tech trends, customer industries, regional differences, and more. Contact for inquiries. International Federation of Robotics Press Officer, Karsten here. Phone, +49 0822 44284. Email, admin@ifr.org/cdncgi.email protection. Downloads, Humanoid Robot 4EN1 by Neura Robotics. Download 164 kilobytes. https://ifr.org/downloads/press2018 humanoids teaser.jpg. IFR press release, German, downloads press docs, DE 2025 AUG 14 IFR Pressemeldung, Humanoid Robots, download 228 kilobytes, https://ifr.org/downloads, infograph 2025.pdf.